I will going to demonstrate about the laminar airflow. So firstly we are discuss about the aseptic area in which laminar airflow is present. Aseptic area basically used with the intention of preventing the microbial contamination. Before enter in aseptic area, we should know all rules. First of all, we wear the PPT kit and hand gloves, mask and caps. Before enter in aseptic area, we should on the UV light switch for about 30 minutes and then off and enter in aseptic area. This is the laminar airflow. It is also called the laminar flow cabinet, tissue culture hood and clean bench. Laminar airflow is an enclosed bench which is made up of stainless steel and glass, which is used with the intention of preventing the microbial contamination and dust at the time of biochemical testing and performing experiment in the laminar airflow. There are mainly three switches are present. One for the UV light. This is the indicator, UV light switch, tube light switch and blower. UV light switch on for about 30 minutes before working in laminar airflow. During working in laminar airflow, UV light switch does not on because it is a carcinogenic and it can cause skin cancer. This is the glass shield which is open and performing your experiment in this working surface. This is the working surface which is made up of stainless steel to prevent the rusting, and it is whipped with 70% alcohol before working and our essential glassware put on the working surface. This is the HEPA filter, and laminar flow also consists of blower and filter pad. Blower is fitted downward which suck the air through the filter pad and contaminate particles trapped on the filter pad, and the pre-filter air is passed through the HEPA filter and the pure sterile air is transferred in the laminar airflow. So the environment inside the laminar airflow is completely sterile. And after working in laminar airflow is completed, then off the glass shield and also off the UV light switch, tube light switch and blower. Thank you. Myself, Mohammad Javed, B Farm second year from JS Singh Institute of Pharmacy, Parasara, Sitapur. Thank you.